What is the horizon's role in finding constellations? Imagine standing outside on a clear night, gazing up at the vast sky. The horizon is right there in front of you, a simple line where the Earth meets the sky. But this line is more than just a boundary. It is a key to unlocking the secrets of the night sky. When you are learning to find constellations, understanding the horizon helps you know what part of the sky is visible at any given moment. It acts as a reference point that guides your eyes to where stars and patterns will appear. In observational astronomy, the horizon is part of a system called the horizontal coordinate system. This system measures how high or low an object is in the sky, using what is called altitude. Altitude is the angle between the object and the horizon line. If a star is just on the horizon, its altitude is 0 degrees. If it is directly overhead, its altitude is 90 degrees. Knowing this helps you figure out when a constellation will rise or set. For example, if you know the constellation's position relative to the horizon, you can predict when it will be visible in your sky. Because the Earth spins, stars and constellations seem to move across the sky. They rise in the east, reach their highest point, and then set in the west. The horizon helps you track these movements. If you see a constellation just above the horizon at sunset, you can expect it to be high in the sky later in the night. Some constellations are called circumpolar because they never dip below the horizon for certain locations. These constellations are visible all year round and are always just above the horizon line. Knowing where the horizon is also helps you understand the changing seasons. Different constellations appear at different times of the year because of Earth's orbit around the sun. When you learn to use the horizon as a guide, you can tell which constellations are rising or setting and plan your stargazing sessions accordingly. Using the horizon as a reference makes it easier to find your way around the night sky. It helps you identify patterns and understand how the sky moves. Whether you are using a simple star chart or a telescope, the horizon is your starting point for locating constellations. It is the frame of reference that shows you what is visible and when. In the end, the horizon is like a map that shows you where the stars are hiding and when they will appear. It helps turn the vast, dark sky into a familiar landscape you can navigate. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that the horizon is your best friend in the quest to find constellations. It guides your eyes and helps you understand the dance of the stars above.